Good morning dear students. Today topic is active and passive voice. Okay, so today we will understand how we will convert active to passive voice in simple past tense. Okay, so for simple past tense convert active to passive voice we will use 5 steps. First is identify, second swap, and third is convert main verb to verb third form, and fourth step add helping verb. Okay, next step is add preposition. Okay, so we will start first simple past tense active to passive voice. So this is a sentence in active voice. He wrote a letter. Okay, so in this sentence he is a subject and wrote it's a verb and a letter it's an object. Okay, how we will identify subject? Yes. Who is doing action? Yes, he is a subject. And what is action? Perform? Yes, wrote. And a letter, and what's the action perform? A letter, it's an object here. Okay, second step is swap. Okay, swap, we will write a letter the place of subject, and we will write the place of object. So we will convert in him in passive voice. Okay, next third step is convert main verb to verb third form. Write is a first form and third form will be written. Okay, next fourth step add helping verb. So in past tense, in simple past tense, helping verb is was. Okay, next verb add preposition. Okay, so fifth step is add preposition by. Okay, so this is active voice sentence, and for active voice sentence the structure is subject, verb and object. In passive voice structure will be yes, object plus helping verb plus verb third form plus by and as subject. Okay, so passive voice will be in simple past tense a letter, because as I told you first we will write object. Okay, so a letter, then helping verb. So helping verb is was. I will write here was. Then we will write verb third form. Written is a verb third form. Then I will write here verb third form. Then by, use by. I will write here by, and then subject, and subject is him. Okay, so I will write here him. So passive voice will be in simple past tense a letter was written by him. A letter was written by him. Okay, so this is a passive voice in simple past tense. Next tense is past continuous tense. So how we will convert active to passive voice in past continuous tense? Okay, so active voice sentence is he was writing a letter. Okay, so how we will convert in passive voice? Yes, 5 steps same as we will use. Identify subject, verb and object. Subject he, and verb is write, and object a letter. Okay, then second step swap. Okay, yes, a letter we will write here and him we will write here. Okay, next third step is convert main verb to verb third form. So write is a main verb, we will convert in verb third form, it will be written. Okay, next fourth step add helping verb. This is the main important step. Add helping verb. Helping verb was, and as I told you in continuous tense in passive voice we will use being. Okay, so we will write being with helping verb. Okay, next step is add preposition by. Okay, so these steps we will write in passive voice. Okay, so passive voice structure is subject, object plus helping verb plus verb third form, then by, then subject. Okay, so passive voice will be first I will write as according to structure object, we will write here object. So a letter we will write here object. Then second helping verb. Helping verb as I told you with was I will write being also. So I will write here was being. Okay. Third verb third form written. So I will write here written. Then add by. Okay, so I will write here by. Okay, then subject him. Okay, so him I will write here. Okay, so in past continuous tense, passive voice will be a letter was being written by him. Okay, this is active voice, he was writing a letter, and passive voice will be a letter was being written by him. Okay. Now past perfect tense, how we will convert in past perfect tense active to passive voice. Okay, this is a active voice sentence, he had written a letter. Okay, so we will convert according to these 5 steps. First, identify subject, verb and object. First, what we will identify? Subject, verb and object. He is a subject and verb is had and object is a letter. Okay, then second step is swap a letter, and then we will write here subject, here we will write object, and here we will write subject. Then convert main verb to verb third form. So written, already written here, because after has, have, had we always write verb third form. That's why written is already written here. That's why we will write same as it is. Okay, and fourth step is add helping verb. So helping verb is had. In perfect tense we always use been in passive voice. So I have written been with had. Okay, next fifth step is add preposition by. Okay, so this is my active voice sentence in past perfect tense, he had written a letter. So how we will convert in passive voice? Yes, according to structure, first we will write a letter. This is an object. लेटर क्या है? एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, एंड वी विल राइट हेयर अ लेटर. देन हेल्पिंग वर्ब, हैड इज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब, एंड विथ हैड आई विल राइट बीन इन पैसिव वॉइस. ओके, सो आई हैव रिटन हैड बीन हेयर. देन वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म इज रिटन, आई हैव रिटन हेयर, एंड देन बाय, आई हैव रिटन बाय हेयर, एंड देन सब्जेक्ट हिम, आई हैव रिटन हेयर. सो दिस इज माई एक्टिव वॉइस सेंटेंस, ही हैड रिटन अ लेटर. in past perfect tense, in passive voice, what it will be? Yes, so it will be a letter had been written by him. Okay, so this is a past perfect tense active to passive voice. Next is simple future tense. Okay, in simple future tense, how we will convert active to passive voice? Yes, so this is an active voice sentence, he will write a letter. Okay, so in active voice structure is subject, verb and object, he will write a letter. So we will convert in passive voice, same we will use 5 steps. First steps, identify. What we will identify? Subject, verb and object. Subject is he and verb is write and object is a letter. Okay, next second is swap. Okay, a letter we will write here and we will write here him here. Okay, next convert main verb to verb third form. Okay, so main verb write, it will be written. Okay, next fourth is add helping verb. Helping verb is helping verb is will. Okay, so with will I would add be also in passive voice, and next step is add preposition by. Okay, so passive voice will be in simple future tense. First, according to structure, first I will write object here, a letter, then helping verb will, and with will I will add be also because it's a simple future tense. Okay, in passive voice we will add be. Okay, so I have written here will be, then verb third form, verb is, main verb is write and third form written, so I will write here written, verb third form, then by. Okay, then subject. Okay, so my sentence in simple future tense in passive voice will be a letter will be written by him. एक्टिव वॉइस ही विल राइट अ लेटर. पैसिव वॉइस क्या बन जाएगा इसका? अ लेटर विल बी रिटन बाय हिम. नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस हाउ वी विल कन्वर्ट एक्टिव टू पैसिव वॉइस. ओके, सो इन एक्टिव टू पैसिव वॉइस वी विल यूज 5 steps. Identify, swap, convert main verb to verb third form and add helping verb, and fifth is add preposition. Okay, so this is the active voice sentence in future perfect tense. He will have written a letter. Okay, so first we will identify subject, verb and object. He is a subject and verb is written and object a letter. Second step, swap a letter and he will convert in him and we will write here. Third step, convert main verb to verb third form. So in perfect tense already third form is written here, so we don't need to convert in verb third form because already verb third form is written here. Fourth step is add helping verb. So helping verb is will have written here. With will have we will add been in passive voice. In all perfect tense while making passive voice we will add been. Okay, then step fifth, add preposition. Okay, so by we will use, so according to structure we will convert passive voice of future perfect tense. Okay, first object a letter I will write here, then helping verb will have been. Okay, will have been, helping verb I will write here, then verb third form is written, so I have written here, then use by I have written by here, and then s, it means subject I have written here. So how we will convert in future perfect tense active to passive voice? This is active voice sentence. He will have written a letter, and passive voice will be a letter will have been written by him. Okay, so students, we have completed all tenses in active to passive voice. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.